Hello everyone, hi, this is Teacher Shane. Welcome back to Shane's Magic Treehouse. I hope everyone is having a great day. I am definitely having a great day. Yes, I am. So, in this video, Teacher Shane is going to teach you five words. And those words are shoes, sneakers, boots, high heels, and slippers. Yeah. So we are going to say the word, spell the word, say the word, and spell the word. Let's do it together, okay? All right, here we go. The first word is boots. B-O-O-T-S, boots. B-O-O-T-S, boots. All right. The next word is shoes. S-H-O-E-S, shoes. S-H-O-E-S, shoes. Awesome. The next word is sneakers. S-N-E-A-K-E-R-S, sneakers. S-N-E-A-K-E-R-S, sneakers. All right. The next word is high heels. H-I-G-H-H-E-E-L-S, high heels. H-I-G-H-H-E-E-L-S, high heels. Great. The next word is slippers. S-L-I-P-P-E-R-S, slippers. S-L-I-P-P-E-R-S, slippers. All right, everyone, great job. We just learned our 5 new words together. Yeah. So now you can go and spell those words by yourself, or you can practice with your mommy and daddy. Thank you guys so much again for looking at Shane's Magic Treehouse. And I will see you guys again next time. Bye-bye.